All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 6. Those all have 3 terms, right?
Yes.
But the ones we did yesterday had 3 terms. So what's different about these? They don't have anything to factor out. They don't have a GCF, right?
No.
So what you're going to do is you're going to find all the factors of the back number, but you need to do them in order. Because if you do them in order, you won't miss one. So we got 1 and
2.
1 and 32.
Oh, 2 and 16.
Yeah.
3 and 9. No. 4 and 8.
Okay. 5 doesn't go. 6 doesn't go. 7, and then you already got 8. So you stop once you repeat, okay? All right, now you need the magic one that adds or subtracts to be negative 4. How?
4 minus 8. 4 minus 8.
4 minus 8. Positive 4
Minus 8.
minus 8. Very good.
Plus
Or plus a negative. What?
plus negative.
Well, no, we don't write these like that. We just write minus 8. Yes. Okay, doesn't matter the order you put them in, but it does matter that the 8 is still negative and the 4 is still positive. So you could have said m minus 8 and m plus 4. Because 4 minus 8 is still negative 4, and 4 times negative 8 is still negative 32. You all okay? Yes. Bringing back some memories?
Not really.
Workshop?
Yes.
All right, what about 66? What are the factors of 66?
1 and 66.
Yeah?
2 and 33.
Uh-huh.
3 and 22. 6 and 11.
And that's it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so which one is the magic one that adds or subtracts to be negative
6 and
5?
11.
How?
6 minus
Positive 6 minus 11. Very
So
good.
z plus 6. Z minus 11.
Or minus 11 first and plus 6 first. It doesn't matter. All right, number 3, same thing. You have 3 terms. You do not have a GCF, and that's why you have to do it that way. You okay? Okay. All right, so what's the factors of 40?
41,
Yeah.
22,
Yeah.
4 and 10, 5 and 8.
And that's it, right?
5 plus 8.
5 plus 8. Very good. So you got y plus 5 and y plus 8. Still okay? Either one. As long as the 8 is positive and the 5 is positive. Doesn't matter the order. I mean, you could even put 8 plus y if you wanted to, for that matter. All right, last one, number 6. 3 terms. Hold on. 3 terms, no GCF. So now factors 8. Go ahead.
8 and 1.
Uh-huh.
2 and 4.
All right, which one's the magic one?
2 and 4.
How?
Because add together to get 2.
There you go. 2 plus 4.
You make that way easier.
You okay? This way is a lot easier. There's a different way where they want you, it's called bust them up, where they want you to do it like this with grouping. But this way, like, you see how much shorter this is?
Yeah.
So, anyway. Okay, so that's it. So if you were not here yesterday and you did not watch the video, you probably need to be doing that because that was the last lesson. But grab your study guides very quickly because I want to show you something on your study guides, okay? Study guides always the very last page. We are not working on challenge problems. Challenge problems are due tomorrow, but those are bonus points, so they should be done at home, not during class. No, they're bonus. They are not a grade. They're bonus. Well, technically they are a grade, but it's not. It's optional grade, yes.
That makes me feel better about myself. I got one of them.
I will show you how to do both of them when we come back on Friday. Don't worry. All right, everybody okay? Anybody lost? All right, let me show you something about these. Here we go. You have to follow the direction. If the directions say to use substitution, you must use substitution. On your test tomorrow, if you do not use substitution, when it says to, you will not get full credit. Get it? Got it good? Y'all okay? All right. So, 17 and 18 are the word problems. We should be good with those, right? Anybody? All right. 19, you can mark out 19 because the answer comes out really funky. And I told you I wouldn't give you any funky answers, so you can mark out 19. And then yesterday we marked out 23 and 24 for those of you that weren't here. All right, let's look at 20. 20, do you remember how to do this guy right here?
When you
When it's
find
missing a
Z,
Z? You put a what?
zero.
A 0. You put a 0 Z, right? What about this guy right here when it has 2 X's?
We'll combine like terms.
Combine like terms, and then the only ones you have to compare are the top 2, because this one already
Yeah,
has.
put zero Z on the second.
No, because then this would already give you, oh no, this would just give you Y. You've already found Y. So you just compare the top 2, and then plug in Y. That's it. That was easy. Yes, ma'am. What's wrong?
How does start so high?
Because 2 minus 2 is 0. So you've already got Y. Alright, 22, you need to be very careful about 22. Do you notice how those letters are backwards? The letters are backwards on the middle one. You have to make sure you line your X's up, line your Y's up, line your Z's up,
So
okay?
it'd be 3
Uh-uh.
minus 3y.
It'd be 3X minus 3Y, and then plus 0Z equals 9. Are y'all okay? Alright, last thing, all the way down there at the bottom. All the way down the bottom. If you left early yesterday, this is what you missed. It's very easy stuff, though. It's not hard. But it does say solve, and that's a typo. It's supposed to say graph. So just fix that where it says solve on the very bottom. That's supposed to say graph. That's the only thing. Are y'all okay? Anybody have any issues? Yes, ma'am.
Have you already made the key?
I did. It's on Google Classroom. It should have just posted. I scheduled it to post right before this class. All right. So keys are on Google Classroom. Find your partner. Let's work together. And then I'm gonna hand out your Math Workshop tests to you for you to look at those.
Do I have anything else to make up?
I think you're good, and I